India ka thain teng Pakistan ka khambat ka jinga kran thu jingmut ban Sangeh ya ka Iasiat ka beteng hadu mtaka Miet lu holgani ka India ka kentu ka Pakistan ba kan don ka jikit khri ka jingsim khia amar ba ka India kan pen phai ba long ka ba khre ban thel kala mtaka Miet ki tari ki jumang aja pesan foreign secretary ka India bikram misri ha kran siklat tai bol ong ba Pakistan ka Pynkhein ya kut thu jingmut ban Sangeh Iasiat kumba ya kran Director General Military Operation ka India ba Pakistan ne ka Janmiet ong ba kani ka de ka jing Pynkhein ya kran thu jingmut kumala kran ne ka Janmiet bat halo kani ka jing le ka Pakistan ka India ka ai ka jubab jungka bat ka simkhia bahai kani ka jing kala jutang ka Pakistan kispai kin dia ki ong ba ka long ba penga ba pikir ba halo kani ka jing man bat ai bol pura ba kin le ka dun kam da wa ka kam halo kani ka jing Pynkhein ka Pakistan ha ka thain khaput ba line of control la ong foreign secretary ka India bikram misri
Good evening. For the last few hours, there have been repeated violations of the understanding arrived at earlier this evening between the Directors General of Military Operations of India and Pakistan. This is a breach of the understanding arrived at earlier today. The armed forces are giving an adequate and appropriate response to these violations, and we take very, very serious notice of these violations. We call upon Pakistan to take appropriate steps to address these violations and deal with the situation with seriousness and responsibility. The armed forces are maintaining a strong vigil on the situation. They have been given instructions to deal strongly with any instances of a repetition of the violations of the border along the international border as well as the line of control. Thank you.